Hi guys, my name is Michael. In this video, I'm gonna show my friend Ibrahim how to install file from his system. So simple. Come right to your start, to your toolbar, click on it. Yep. Or you can just come to your start and click on it. Once you click on it, it's gonna show this. Come to your settings. You can see it right here. Click on your settings. So we wait for that to open up. Okay, so now we're in the settings. You come down to apps. You can see here, you can see uninstall, see default options, features. So click on apps. So once it opens up, you wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, so once all your files have loaded and all the apps are loaded, you now go through it. Now we want to delete WinRAR from your system. So you come down all the way to www. Okay, so this is it. So come down to WinRAR, click on it, and click on uninstall. See, so that's what you're meant to click on to uninstall it. If you're having problem on installing it this way, so there's another option. Close here. Come to your search icon right here and type in the name. Okay, so we can see it now. It's already out. So what I want to do now, I want to find out where this file is located. Okay, so let's click here. So right here I can see open file location. So click on the file location. So I can see it right now. Usually it's going to be in your C local disk C drive. And you might have to go through some few folders to find it. But this is it right here. So if you want to delete it, you can delete it one by one. You can start deleting it one by one. If one of the files have been corrupted, first you delete all the ones that have not yet been corrupted. Then try deleting it again. If it doesn't work, switch off your system and on it back again. Then try deleting it. Okay, so the next one is, let's say we want to go to the C drive to find it so that we can delete it. Let's come down, C drive, let's look for it. So we can see it right here. WinRAR, click on it and you can just start deleting it from here if the first way doesn't work. Okay, and if that doesn't work, you can also come to your local disk C drive. Let's click on it. Come over to properties. Then but this is where I want you to come to. Okay, come to your C drive, click on tools and click here. Now It says this option will check the driver files, system errors. You can see. So this will check the C drive for any files that have errors or they're not working properly. So this is another option you can try out. So you just click scan the drive, click right here. Okay. So comes to C drive. Let me show you how it works again. Let's click properties, tools, click here. Then click scan driver. So that's what you can try out again. Please take note that your system is going to go off when you start scanning through the drive. It's going to take a couple of minutes. It's going to go off, then later come back, continue with the scanning, and finally reboot, and you can now log back into your Windows and continue what you're doing. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like. I hope this helps you, Ibrahim. Bye.